Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the Huawei logo appears on the screen. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. And once you see the Huawei logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the smart band is done rebooting. And after a second or two or couple more seconds, the smart band should turn on. You can press the side button to skip this screen and you should see the watch face, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you force restart this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.